Well, my name is Waseem Ahmed, and I have over 5 years experience in field of information technology, and I have a degree in computer science. Well, I have many friends. One of them, they study here and he got a good job, and then he recommended to go to the NetSoft. Even I had an IT background, but in order to upgrade my professional skills, so then I started a NetSoft. Well, when I started a NetSoft, I found its quality is really good. The staff is really professional. The teachers are really professional, and the great thing, the environment is really professional. Once you sink in, and you really go through well. Well, when I started to looking at different colleges and professionals institutes, I visited many institutes, but I found it is a NetSoft is more professional than the other one. And I attended a few classes in NetSoft, and I found it the teachers are really pay attention towards the students. Most of the teacher I found it here, they had a professional background. They are just not the teachers, and they have an industry experience, as well as the environment they created with the students. So it's completely synced with the students, and they provide just not for the textbook knowledge as well as the professional career knowledge. I noticed when I was studying in a NetSoft, and all of the teachers are professionals, and during a class they challenge the students and they give a different type of a scenario which helps them to build the environment and help them when they go in a professional industry, so they won't have any problems to do their job. I would say there are a lot of pros when you join the NetSoft, because the program is really comprehensive, the environment is really professional, and the teachers are really professional, which help you to build the career of the existing peoples or the new students. As well as if I see it, there is no cons, but sometimes because it's required a lot of effort, it's just to be patient, and then it will help you to go through with that. Well, when I was studying in NetSoft, I seen a lot of success stories, and is a lot of people during diploma they got the job, and they got the professional job, as well as I seen is a lot of even a new peoples, they don't have the Canadian experience, but they have a previously backgrounds, but when they started with the NetSoft, and in the middle of the diploma they got the job, and they are really successful. So it depends also course to course, but NetSoft is required a lot of expectation from the students, and I spend 30 to 40 hours a week. So there are many supports available in NetSoft for the job interview and resume preparations. They offered a Hire Me course. It's a comprehensive course which cover our resume preparations and job interview techniques, as well as they have the job boards, as well as they have a professional group. They post a lot of jobs, their organizations. So whoever is studying here, whoever has a background, they can apply those jobs and go through with the process. During my diploma, I have learned many courses. It was professionally completed, but I really enjoyed the VMware and the Citrix course. My favorite course was the Citrix as well as VMware. because I had a background as well as is really interest into it, because the teacher was really professional. Because the NetSoft, it provide a really professional platform for all students, and it has a professional environment which build the career, and as well as it help them to join the professional industry. I would say whenever you join the NetSoft, just spare as much as time for your study, and just sync with the environment. The environment is really great, and it would help to complete the diploma, and it would help you to build your career as well as.